stay in.
Then roll it.
Where are you going? Come here.
Come. Come.
Hey, where are you going?
Come,
here.
come, come.
Come fetch. Sit. Sit. I said sit. Sit. Don't touch. What I say? Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch.
Oh my God. Hi. Come.
Come here. In here.
We are trying to train this dog, man. It's not like training, but what? Look.
Stay. Shit. Stay. You want to fetch? Stay. Stay. Fetch. Good fetch, Rambo. Good fetch. Oh
My God.
Come here. Come on. Come on here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here. Sit. Leave it. Leave it. Down. Go down. Stay. Stay. Up. Sit. Wanna fetch? Fetch. Good fetch, big boy. Good fetch. Come
My
here.
God.
Come here. Come here. In, boy. Hey, wait in. Stay. In.
Oh my God.
That's
John,
more like kids.
so guys, this is John Wambua TV. Tell us about your dog now.
My dog's name is Rambo. Rambo is, I would say all my dogs are favorite, but Rambo is my most favorite dog.
Okay.
Rambo was a COVID project when people were sleeping and others were staying home without, after the lockdown. I decided to get a dog, a German Shepherd, and train it. So that is the fruit of COVID.
Oh my God. How long has it taken you to train that dog?
Dog training is a daily routine. It's something that we do daily. Every day is a training day. Like as you've seen, I was just refreshing right now. I was not training the dog, but we were having fun. It's fun. So you can't say you should train your dog for this long. But if it's your dog, then your dog should know what you want. And the only way to do that is to get to train it.
Oh my God. And is the dog a he or a she?
Rambo is a male.
Rambo is a male.
That is the sire of almost all my puppies. I get my puppies from Rambo.
How old is the dog?
Rambo is...
How old is Rambo?
Rambo, right now Rambo is 2.5.
2.5 years?
Yes.
Oh, it's big. It's big actually.
A mix of short fur and long coat German Shepherd.
Okay.
Yes.
How many dogs do you have so far?
Right now I have 3 dogs. I have 3 dogs, yes. Female, which is a Saint Shepherd German mix, and a Rottweiler German mix, which is a male, which is also here. And then I have Rambo. Rambo is a low-cut German Shepherd.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. How old are the other dogs?
In fact, they are all age mates, if I would say. A difference of just a few months.
Okay.
Yes.
Is there kind of a special food that you normally give, like a diet? Do they have a special diet?
I wouldn't call it special. I feed my dogs the dog meal, the normal dog meal. Way back I used to cook, to give them the dry pellets. I would buy them the Bravo pellets, but it got so expensive, and I think because I have all the time, I decided to be cooking for my dogs. So what I do, I get rice, the rice that you people eat, and mix it with the flour, the dog flour. The dog flour that has calcium, has omena in it, has bone, crushed bones, and then I mix it and cook it just like the way we cook our ugali, and that's what my dog eats.
So it's a balanced diet.
Yes, it's a balanced diet.
Okay.
Sometimes I supplement with bones and steak beef. Sometimes I give them chicken heads and chicken feet too. Okay.
Is it expensive to like rare kind of dogs, or to bring up those kind of dogs, the Shepherd? German, you have said the German Shepherd, right?
Yes, I'm a Shepherd lover. So I believe that I wouldn't say it's expensive, because if the food that I eat is expensive, then my dog should eat expensive food. So I don't see the expense in it, because whatever you love, if you love something, you give it the best that you can offer. So I wouldn't say it's expensive. For someone else out there, they say it's expensive to take care of such kind of dogs.
Okay.
But for a person like me, I believe my dogs should have the best. They should be in the best, in the perfect health. So I give them what I'm able to give them.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, what inspired you to keep like such kind of dogs?
Since way back, I used to love dogs, but I wasn't in an environment where I could keep dogs. But so I used to admire people's dogs. I used to admire. I used to go to YouTube and watch the Dog Dynasty. So see these guys breed bulldogs and pit bulls and all sorts of dogs. And I used to admire. I used to wish that someday I'll have a place, a space like what I have here, and keep some nice dogs because I've loved dogs since when I was young.
Okay, before we continue, I'm Claudia Walks.
This is John Wambua TV.
If you have not subscribed to John Wambua TV, go check his YouTube channel. It goes by the name John Wambua TV. Give him support, subscribe, and also if you're watching this video for the first time, make sure you subscribe also to Claudia Walks. And if you're watching from John Wambua TV, also make sure you
subscribe to Claudia Walks.
Yes.
That's what's up.
Yeah, now I was behind the camera, but I'm going back behind the camera too. We are talking about his dog, the way, hey, the dog is so cute.
You like them?
I like them. Okay, can you let us see all of your dog? Because some people like we have seen one dog, and maybe someone outside might say that, oh, this guy is lying. He does not have like 3 or 4 dogs. Can you have?
I would even bring them out here.
Okay, bring them.
And because I have full control of my dogs, then they can come out here and they're still going.
Okay.
Let me show you.
It's all right, guys. Let's sit here. We wait for the dog. Oh my God, I love dogs. I love dogs, but honestly,
come on out.
I don't know.
Here they are.
Oh, they are here. Oh my God.
This way. Come on. Turn. Come here.
They are here.
Come here. Sit. Come here.
Oh.
Come here. Spy. Here.
Okay.
Come on, come.
This is who?
This is Zara.
This is Zara.
Come here.
And this one?
Here. Here, Zara. Come here. Come. Come here, boy.
Hey, they are big, man.
Excited. They
At least
come out here.
okay, at least they come out today. Today is sauce, and you can let them
No, this is Spy.
uh-huh.
Spy is a mix of Rottweiler and German Shepherd, as you can see.
Honestly, I don't know the types of dog
Yeah,
and
that's
all
why-
that.
No, that's what I'm teaching you. Rambo,
Yeah.
this way, turn. Come here.
Rambo? Where's Rambo?
In, Spy. Come on, Zara. In.
Guys, these dogs have been trained.
Come on, Zara. Here, quick. Where you going? Come here. Now this is Zara.
Mm-hmm.
Zara is a
This
mix of a German Shepherd
Uh-huh.
and a Saint Bernard. You see how
Okay.
big she is. She's a female.
Wow.
Yes. So because of people, they need to go in.
Okay.
Rambo, in. Everybody, in, quick.
Oh my God.
Zara, what did I say?
Zara, come in.
In. Stay in. In, Spy. In. Yes, in. I normally don't keep them in the kennel.
Okay.
I like when they have the freedom to move around. So,
Just come on this side. Okay. Now, since that was a COVID project, are you planning to add like more dogs?
yeah,
Maybe in future or
in future, I would love to have a kennel, and a big kennel for that matter. Yes, so that means space. That means a lot of effort. That means workmanship. That means money. You know
okay.
what I mean? So in future, I still want to train them, to train working dogs. Yes, I'm not a lover of the small breeds. I don't hate any dog, but I'm not a person, a small breed person. I love big dogs.
You love big dogs.
Yes,
Actually, they are big and they are so clean.
And you're here to see. I have a bobble that I gave it out. As in, I gave someone who was in need of security. If only you would see that dog. Now that's the level I want to go.
Okay.
I want to go big dogs, massive dogs, if you know what I mean. Someday I'll have pure Saint Bernards.
Oh.
That's what I mean, yes, pure ones and the huge German Shepherds and all that. Because I'm a huge dog lover.
Okay, if I may ask, like how much does one cost, a young one? Okay, I think you have raised them since they were small. Now they are big. It's been 2 years and a half. Like, how much did you buy one?
Talking about buying or selling dogs, I would want you to know that we don't buy or sell dogs. We adopt dogs.
How is the procedure?
Adoption is very simple. Someone has breeded a dog, a puppy, And when the puppy is 3 months, given maybe the basic training, the sit, down, the potty training. After that is when you decide whether you're going to rehome the dog. So the rehoming process is there's an agreement between me and the breeder. If the breeder is taking care of the dog, then I have to come in with some amount. Let's say if it's a German Shepherd and a pure German Shepherd, it would cost from 35,000 and above.
That is like $350.
Yes, $350 and above now.
Okay.
Depending on the breed, the pedigree too. Yes, most of the dogs, we get most of the dogs from registered kennels and registered dogs. Dog kennels is what I mean. And maybe the Sai and the Dam were registered, then that's where we get good breeds.
Okay, do you have a special doctor like who comes to check on their health and all?
I have a vet I've worked with for quite some time. He always comes and checks it. After every few months, I call him and he comes and checks. But most of the, like grooming and deworming and all that, I do it myself. There is so much that I do.
Okay.
I clean them. I do it myself.
So
I have the girl who just in, who comes to cook for the dogs when I'm at work, because I'm not always here and they have to be taken care of.
Okay.
Yes.
So it's like you yourself, you are a vet in one way or another, right?
Yes, I got to learn as I was raising my first dogs, the first dogs. I used to watch a lot. Most of the times, and I'm also a YouTube lover. You know what I mean? I go to YouTube and learn. I learn and I see the do's and don'ts when you're raising dogs or you're breeding.
Okay, apart from keeping the dogs and all that, what else do you normally do? Actually, guys, one thing, if you've been following Claudia Walks, you know Wambua TV has been so supportive to my YouTube channel. He is there on my live, on my premieres, and guys, today I decided to look for him. Actually, you should consider subscribe. It's not like considering subscribe. You should subscribe to his YouTube channel. He's a YouTuber, but apart from YouTube, let's hear.
Yes, no, she wants to know what else I do.
Yes.
I sell. Okay, let me not put it in that. Okay, so I'm a cinematographer, a camera operator by profession. I've managed to do several shows, TV shows that have aired on our local TV stations. Like I was a camera operator for Selena, which was on Maisha Magic East. I also did Q, which has been airing on NTV. It was on Star Times, Rainbow TV.
That is in Kenya.
Yes, in Kenya. And it is also aired in NTV right now. I think it's airing even right now. Then I also did Pink Ladies, working under Multan Production. Big up Ruben Odanga if you manage to watch this. That's my boss. So right now I'm working on another show which will be airing on NTV Uganda, but let me not
disclose it. Yes.
Until maybe the producer decides now to do a trailer and disclose it.
Okay.
So I'm a filmmaker. That's what I do for a living.
Yeah. Oh, you are also a YouTuber.
Yes, I'm a YouTuber. Don't forget that I'm a YouTuber.
Yes.
John Wambua TV. Consider subscribing, liking, and watching my videos for me to get the required watch hours.
Yes.
Yes.
So guys,
and don't forget to subscribe to Claudia Walks, the Jamaican girlfriend. Right? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yes.
So guys, if you want more videos with John Wambua TV, just comment down below. Let us know if we should continue doing videos together, right?
Yes.
Maybe there is something that you want to know about John Wambua TV. You can still comment down below.
Yes.
So guys, that is it for today. See you in the next one. Bye bye.
Big up on yourself. One love.
One love.